channel. Long time no see. So today I'm going to be doing like a natural makeup look tutorial. So yeah, my brows are already done. They look crazy like usual, but yeah, it's gonna be like a tutorial, so I'm not really gonna be like talking through it or whatever. So yeah, I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna like do my eyelids, like put concealer on them and stuff. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And now I'm gonna blend it out with this Real Techniques beauty sponge. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, but first I'm just gonna set my eyelids just because like it's not enough eyeshadow to like set it and I don't want it to crease, and I'm just gonna use this Airspun powder. Now I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This is one of the best like natural eyeshadow palettes. Like the pans are huge, it's so inexpensive, and it's so pigmented. Like I literally love this palette. I'm gonna use this Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna go into Yoded, and it's that one, and I'm just gonna lightly tap it and just lightly blend it into my crease. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. cream eyeliner and just do a wing. So I do things kind of weirdly. So like I do my eyeliner, but I'm gonna do like my lashes and stuff after I do my foundation. So now we're gonna move on to my foundation. First, I'm gonna just use this Cover FX Custom Enhancement Drops. I'm just gonna put 3 dots like where I would put highlighter, and then on my cupid's bow and on my nose, and that's it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation and this Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna mix them together. Usually I'll use my Juvia's Place, which is A1, but I do that for like special occasions because I don't want to waste it, and I'm literally just like shopping. So I'm gonna use these two. I just put a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, like on my cheekbones. I'm gonna blend it out with this Real Techniques buffing brush. Take the same LA Girl Pro Concealer that I used to prime my eyes and just conceal with it under my eyes. I blended out my concealer with this Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and now I'm just gonna set it with the Airspun powder. I'm gonna take this Cocoa Contour Kit, and I'm gonna mix these two colors and bring some color back into my face. I'm gonna move back to the eyes, and I'm just gonna take the same colors that I used. Actually I used 2 colors. I used these top 2, and I'm just gonna do the same for under my eyes. Now I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I'm just gonna put this in my inner corner. My camera shut off because that's just how my camera is. It like shuts off after like 30 minutes, so it probably wasn't a good idea, but I finished while like the camera was off. So what did I do? I put on lashes. These are the lashes. I actually don't know, I'm pretty sure it's like Ardell 105s, but I mixed them with another one. Did that. My highlighter, I just used the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, like in the inner corner. For lips, used the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Downtown Beauty. And then, so like I put this on and I dried it, and then I put a little bit of this Philosophy Sugar Sprinkles lip gloss. And then I set my face and stuff. Now I'm just trying to get it together. And this is the finished look. I mean, it's still super glam, but like not as glam as usual for me. So yeah, this is just it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hopefully I post more videos soon. I always say that, but like just mental health hits, you know. But I want to try getting back into posting more videos and making more videos and stuff, so hopefully that happens. So yeah, thanks for watching.